I've walked through fire, I've danced through pain, left behind the storm, survived the rain. Heart in pieces, starting new, with nothing left except what's true. Every thread, every tear wove strength into this silver hair, a living map of where I've been, from broken past to hope within. This white hair's my crown, my truth, my pride, not just beauty, but what's survived. Every strand a story told, of rising up when the nights were cold. I wear my journey wild and free, my silver crown won't fade from me. Lost it all but found my way, built a dream from yesterday. From shadows I began to shine, this hair grew on just like my spine. People see white but they don't know strength it took to let it show. No dye can cover what I've earned, every inch is how I've learned. 'Cause this white hair's my crown, my truth, my pride, not just beauty, but what's survived. Every strand a story told, of rising up when the nights were cold. I'll wear my journey wild and free, my silver crown won't fade from me. This white hair's my crown, my fight, my flame, proof I rose and found my name. Every wave, every fall made me who I am, made me stand tall. I'll wear my journey bold and free, my silver crown tells all of